Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Dahisar East online studies. Myself Ankita Kathore, Standard 3, subject Maths. We are going to learn our next lesson, coins and currency notes. Look at the picture, children, carefully. Here some coins and notes are given. These all we are using in our daily life. This is called Indian currency. Introduction of currency, coins and notes. Now children, I am going to introduce you some coins and notes. 50 paise coin, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin. Nowadays we are not using 50 paisa coin, but we are having 1 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. ₹5 coin, 10 rupees coin. Now I am going to introduce some notes. 1 rupees note, 2 rupees note. Children, these also we cannot use nowadays because we are having 1 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin in our currency. 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note. Now children, here also rupees 5 note we can find rarely in our currency because we are having 5 rupees coin also, and these two notes are 10 rupees. ₹20 note. Now these three are 20 rupees notes. ₹50 note, 100 rupees notes, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. These all we are having in our currency. Write the total amount value in the empty boxes. Now I am taking some example over here. We have some notes and coins over here, and we have to write total amount in the given empty boxes. 500, 100, 50 rupees. Now children, you have to write the total amount in the given empty boxes. How many total rupees are there? So we have to count them. 500 plus 100 is 600 and plus 50 is equal to 650 rupees. We have in total 650 rupees. This way you have to count the coins and notes. Some more examples. 500 rupees note, 100 rupees note, one more 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, and we have some coins over here. Now children, we have to count all these given notes and coins and write the total amount in the given empty box in rupees. Now 500 plus 100 is 600, plus one more 100 is 700, plus 50, 750. And we have 1 rupees coins over here. There are 6 coins, so it is 6 rupees. So we have 750 and 50 plus 6, that is 756. We have total amount 756 rupees. More example we are taking. 500 to 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin, and one more 1 rupees coin. Now you have to count the total and write the total amount in the given empty box. Now 500 plus 20 is 520, plus 10 is 530, plus 5 is 535, plus 2 537, plus 1 538, and plus 1 539. So this way you have to count all the notes and coins and write the total amount in the given empty box, that is 539 rupees. One more example. 200 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 2 rupees coin. You have to count them all together and write the total value of rupees in the given empty box. 200 plus 20 is 220, plus 5 is 225, plus 10 is 235, plus 2 is 237 rupees. We have total 237 rupees in all. Now children, you have to count the given notes and given coins together and write the total amount or value in the given empty box. Now we have some word problems over here. I have 4 notes. They are both rupees 170 altogether. Can you guess which notes I have? Now here children, I have 170 rupees and I am having only 4 notes. So you have to imagine or guess which notes I am having. That's total is 170. So you have to write the value of 4 notes. So one note I am having 100 rupees, one I am having 50 rupees, then one I am having 10 rupees and one more 10 rupees. This total is equals to 100 plus 50 is 150, plus 10 160, plus 10 170. Here children, you have to write whichever notes are in our currency, that only you have to write. We don't have rupees 30 and rupees 40 notes and coins, so we are not going to write here rupees 30, rupees 40. Whatever notes are in our currency, that only you have to write in the box. Now can we give rupees 170 using 4 notes in any other way? Children, can you find one more 170 rupees, 4 notes in any other way? Means over here you have to write different 4 notes, like if I am having 50 rupees one note, one more 50 rupees and one more 50 rupees, then I am having 50 plus 50 is 100, plus 50 is 150. So I am having over here 150 rupees. Now I required 20 rupees more. So I am taking rupees 20 note. So here the total value of the given notes are 170 rupees. Just before we see that there are different notes, and here I am taking different 4 notes. This way you have to write in many ways. Now children, here I have given some exercise that you have to guess and write. Thank you.